The arrest warrant was originally issued as secret on the 6th of November 2025.
Kinumpirma na ng International Criminal Court ang arrest warrant laban kay Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Kaugnay pa rin ng madugong war on drugs ni FPRRD.
Mr. De La Rosa is alleged to have been involved in a common plan that lasted from approximately the 1st of November 2011 until the 16th of March 2019 to kill alleged criminals in the Philippines, including those perceived or alleged to be associated with drug use, sale, or production. It is now for the national authorities to arrest and surrender the suspect to the ICC.
Pero sa kabila ng kaliwat ka ng protesta ng kanyang political allies at supporters, ano nga ba ang legal basis ng pag-aresto kay Senator Bato? Sa panayam sa Bilinary News Channel, muling binanggit ni former FEU Law Dean Attorney Mel Santamaria ang Republic Act 9851. Ito ang batas na may kaugnayan sa international humanitarian law, genocide, and other crimes against humanity. Ito rin ang batas na ginamit ng gobyerno noong inaresto si former President Rodrigo Duterte at inilipad sa The Hague, Netherlands noong nakaraang taon. Sa Section 17 ng batas, nakasaad na maaaring isuko ng Philippine authorities sa isang international tribunal ang mga individual na di umano ay gumawa ng crimes against humanity kung ang korte na ito ay nauna ng magsagawa ng isang investigasyon.